Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Jay here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Thai questions. The question for this lesson is, how many ways can you say you in Thai? Just like the word I, we have many words to say you in Thai. Today, we are going to learn about the different words that you might encounter in Thai conversations and expand your vocabulary when addressing the person you are talking to. The first word you probably learn when addressing the person you are talking to is kun. It's the most general word as it can be used both formally and informally. For example, the sentence คุณทำอะไรอยู่ What are you doing? Can be said from an employee to his client. You can make it more formal by adding ครับ or ค่ะ at the end of the sentence. คุณ can also be used in front of names to add a degree of politeness to the sentence. For example, คุณสมชาย Mr. สมชาย When with friends or someone you are close with, we usually use เธอ แก เอง or มึง The degree of formality in these four words are ranked respectively, with เธอ being the most polite. มึง is usually used with กู another word for I in Thai that we discussed in a previous lesson. For example, มึงจะไปไหน or เธอจะไปไหน Where are you going? The sentences have the same meaning but different connotations. แก and เอง are still informal, but they should be used with friends. หรือ is commonly used by Thai Chinese people in Thailand. ท่าน is a very formal word to say you. It's commonly used when you're talking to someone you respect or who's of a higher status. For example, สวัสดีครับท่านอาจารย์ Hello professor. Just like คุณ it can be used at the front of someone's name to add a sense of politeness as well. For example, ท่านนายกเป็นคนตลก The Prime Minister is a funny person. When using มึง be sure to use it with close friends or someone you know really well, as the word can be offensive when used with strangers. Pretty interesting, right? If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ